9 Dangers of Wearing Tight Clothing. It may be fashionable. You may like how you look, or maybe you've gained a little weight and your clothes are too tight now and. The problem is that wearing tight clothing is bad for your health, and it's important to avoid this bad habit. Why? We'll tell you in today's article. When your clothes define your figure. A pair of jeans that shows off your figure and makes you feel sexy, a shirt that highlights your feminine attributes, or a tight miniskirt that you love to wear and. So far so good, except for the fact that this tight clothing can actually be bad for your health. This is especially true if you're wearing heavy fabrics, such as denim, because it impedes circulation and promotes the appearance of varicose veins. Nor is the solution to simply wear elastic garments, because they also compress the body and don't allow the correct amount of blood flow. There are other problems that are related to tight clothing. 1. Tight clothing prohibits return blood flow in your lower extremities. This is an important bodily function that's vital for preventing your ankles from swelling, for example. The lack of return blood flow is dangerous to your health because it can also make you feel tired and fatigued. When your clothes are tightly fitted around the legs or waist, your heart has to work harder to help the blood to return. 2. It promotes the appearance of varicose veins. This is a very common problem among women. The hormone progesterone is what causes veins to dilate above their natural opening. When your clothes are too tight, your circulation is poor and it can worsen this condition. According to one study, 31% of the female population has varicose veins. This condition may become worse from the use of oral contraceptives, wearing tight pants, and standing for long periods of time. 3. It promotes the development of cellulite. This is another one of women's greatest problems. In fact, tight garments don't actually cause cellulite to form, but they hasten its appearance. This is because they impair the passage of blood flow and encourage the development of fat nodules in the thighs. 4. It doesn't allow you to breathe. The pressure in the lungs and trachea caused by tight clothing can prevent you from breathing well. When gas exchange in the chest area is not performed efficiently, it can build up and accelerate the oxidation of your cells. This can result in premature aging. As if that weren't enough, shallow breathing doesn't properly oxygenate the brain. This can cause stress and a lack of concentration. So tight clothing definitely doesn't promote relaxation, quite the opposite. 5. It causes back pain. You might think those things can't be related, but it's enough to do a little test to find out that tight clothing is one of the causes of lumbar or pelvic pain. Wearing clothes that restrict your movements forces you to strain certain muscles and makes your vertebrae work harder than usual. Your hips become compressed and had trouble carrying the weight of your body, which they would normally support. If your arms and legs don't have freedom of motion, you end your day feeling heavy with aches and tingling. 6. It slows digestion. When your pants or belt are too tight, it doesn't allow your abdominal area to expand when you're eating and after meals. The stomach expands during digestive processes due to the acids that are needed. For this reason, tight clothing usually causes indigestion, acidity, and reflux. It can also lead to constipation, intestinal pain, and abdominal swelling. 7. It allows vaginal fungi to flourish. Wearing clothing so close to the body increases temperature and humidity. In the genital area, this promotes the appearance of fungi and bacteria. This can cause bad odors or problems like yeast infections. For men, tight underwear and pants can affect the quality and quantity of sperm, while also causing testicular pain. 8. It causes skin problems. Your skin may also suffer when it can't breathe. For example, many things can happen if the pants or skirt you wear is not only very tight but also made with a non-breathable material. It can cause redness, itchiness, and even ingrown hairs on the legs, because the hair can't grow as easily. 9. It increases sweating. And, as a final consequence, bad odors in the underarm, foot, or genital areas may be due to tight clothing. Garments made of fabrics like nylon or lycra are even worse, and they become a breeding ground for all types of bacteria. Put away those tight jeans and opt for something more comfortable. Your body will thank you.